Now 9 number, count to subtract. An example has been done. First number, 85 minus 59. So here you can see answer is come is the 26. That means here we can go from 59 to 89. Okay. So now let us see the second number. 58 minus 24 is equal to dash. So first of all, we draw a line straight. Now we can take the first number is what? Smaller number, that is 24. Now we can go to up to the 58. Okay, so we can add it 10. So 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 10 is what? 44. And 44 plus 10 is what? 54. Okay, now again 54 come, but we want the 58. So we add the 4 only. 54 plus 4, that is 58. So here we add the 10, 10, 10, but here we add the 4. So what the answer come here? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4, that is equal to 34. Okay, so you can write 58 minus 24, that is equal to 34. So in the box we can write the answer, that is 34. Okay, done. Now in this way we can solve the third number, fourth, fifth and sixth. But here there is a no space, so we can do it on the blank paper. Okay, and you can stick that paper into your workbook. Okay, beta. So let's start. See question number 9. Third number, 96 minus 71. So what you have to do, first of all, you can draw one line. Then start from the 71. We have to reach to the 96. So 71 plus 10, that is 81. 81 plus 10, that is 91. Okay, now 91, how many remain? 5 remain. So we can add the 5, that is 96. So here we add the 10, 10 plus 5. Okay, so here we write 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is what? 25. Okay, so we write 96 minus 71, that is equal to 25, and in the box we also write the 25. Okay, similarly number 4, 67 minus 44. So you can draw first line, start from the 44. Here we write 44. 44 to 10 plus 10, that is 54. 54 plus 10, that is 64. Now how many remain? 3 remain. So we can write plus 3, that is 67. So here plus 10, and here plus 3. So we can write 10 plus 10 plus 3, that is equal to 23. Okay, so we can write 67 minus 44, that is equal to 23. In the box we can write the 23. Okay, done. Now in number 5th, 49 minus 16. So again you can draw a line. So start from the 16. 16 plus 10, that is 26. 26 plus 10, 36. 36 plus 10, 46. Now how many remain? 3. 46 plus 3, that is 49. So here plus 10, again plus 10, now plus 3. So write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, that is equal to 33. So we can write 49 minus 16, that is equal to 33, or our answer is 33. Okay, now in the number 6, 69 minus 37. So again we can draw one line. So start from the 37. 37 plus 10, that is 47. 47 plus 10, that is 57. 57 plus 10, that is 67. And 67 plus 2, that is 69. Okay, so plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 2. So write down 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2, that is equal to 32. So that is equal to 32. So 69 minus 37, that is equal to 32, and our answer is 32. Okay, so in this way you can solve this type of examples. Okay. Question number 10. Fill the number in the boxes such that the sum of each side of the square should be equal to the encircled number in the center. Numbers can be repeated. An example has been done for you. It is one kind of puzzle. Okay. So let us see in the one number. 11 number is in the center. So if you can add the numbers horizontally or vertically, you will get the answer exactly same in the number written in the center. That means 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 come. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 come in this way. Okay. So let us solve the second number. So first of all we count it or add it the numbers horizontally. 6 plus 4 plus 2. What come? 12 come. Then 2 plus 7. 9. 9 plus 3. That is 12 come. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 3 again. 12 comes. 6 plus 1, 5 plus 1. That is 12 come. In this way, same all sides, the answer will become 10. So, our number in the center, that is the 12. Okay. 7, 4, 2. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2. So, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2 is 13. Now, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. That means all side the answer come the 13. So what is the number in the center? That is the 13. In the fourth number, you can see the same numbers written in the 3 number. So here is answer also 13. Okay. It may possible your numbers are different. So you can check by your own by adding these numbers horizontally and vertically. Okay. Understand? Now, question number 11, subtract and take the correct answer. Here some subtraction is given. We have to do this subtraction and whatever the answer come, you have to take in that correct option. Okay. Let us see one by one. First number, 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So what the answer come? 512. So where it is option? Yes, option B. So we take in the B option. Number 2. 1 minus 7, not possible. So we take the borrow, 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. So here we take the borrow. So here number remain is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 44. In which option is the 44? Is A. So our answer is A. Now 3 number. 8 minus 9, not possible. So we take the borrow, 18. And here is 1 is remain. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So what the answer come? 409. So where it is written? In A option. So our answer is A. Okay. Now in number 4. 1 minus 7 not possible. So we take the borrow, 11. And we cut it 1 0. So here remains 0. Now 11 minus 7 is 4. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer come is 204. So where it is the answer? In the C. So tick on the C. Now number 5. 2 minus 6 is not possible. So we take the borrow from the tens column. So here remain is the 4. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So what the answer comes? 626. So which is in the option? In the B. So tick in the B option. Now number 6. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we take the borrow from the tens column. So here 2 remain. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer comes 117. So in the which option it is? In the A option. So tick on the A option. Question number 12. Statement problems. First number, Mihir bought 449 bulbs to sell. If he sold 263 bulbs, how many bulbs are left with him? So left word come, that's why we have to do the subtraction. So write down first of all, number of bulbs Mihir bought. That is equal to 449. And number of bulbs sold. That is equal to 263. Okay. So, number of bulbs left with him is equal to 449 minus 263. That is equal to 186. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 6 not possible. So we take the borrow. And 14 minus 6 that is 8. With one borrow go there. So that's why here 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 186 bulbs. Okay. Stop. So we can box it our answer. Now the number 2. Sonika bought a ticket for rupees 347. If she gave a rupees 500 note to the conductor, how much money he will return back to her? Okay. So write down the answer. First of all, write ticket cost. What is the cost of ticket? Rupees 347. Now, Sonika gave. How much Sonika gave to the conductor? That is rupees 500. Okay. So, money return back to her is equal to rupees 500 minus rupees 347. That is equal to rupees 153. Okay. Here I don't have any more space, so that I do the subtraction horizontally. But you can do the subtraction vertically also. Okay. Number 3. For the birthday, Garima got rupees 732 from his father. If Garima spent rupees 481, how much money did she save? Okay, so write down the answer. Garima had. First of all, write how many rupees the Garima had. So write down Garima had rupees 732. She spent how many rupees? She spent rupees 481. Now we have to find out she saved how many rupees. So write down she saved is equal to rupees 732 minus rupees 481. That is equal to rupees 251. Okay. So rupees 251 the Garima saved. Okay. Now in number 4, the distance between Delhi and Ahmedabad is 886 km. If Ambika had covered 594 kilometers, how much distance did she require to cover more? Okay. So first of all, write down the distance between Delhi and Ahmedabad. That is equal to 886 kilometer. Okay. Now we can write the distance covered by Ambika. So the distance covered by Ambika, that is equal to 594 kilometers. Okay. So therefore we write, so distance did she required to cover more? How many distance he required to cover more? That is equal to 886 kilometer minus 594 kilometer. That is equal to 292 kilometer. Okay, so this is our answer. Number 5. The vegetable seller bought 453 kg of onions, of which 193 kg were rotten. Rotten का means what है? सड़ जाना. So he threw them. सड़ जाने की वजह से उसने उसको क्या किया? थ्रू कर दिया. What quantity of onions could he sell to the customers? So first of all, write vegetable seller bought. So write down vegetable seller bought 453 kg of onions. Okay. So rotten onion, rotten means what? सड़ जाना, खराब हो जाना. So rotted onions is equal to 193 kg. So onion he could sell to the customer is equal to 453 minus 193. Okay. So we can, here we have the space, so we can do the vertical subtraction. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 9 is not possible, so we take the 15, borrow here. 15 minus 9, that is the 6. 1 borrow is going there, so here it is 3 remain. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So what the answer come? 260. So 260 kg onions. Okay, done. So in this way we solve the statement problems. Okay, here we finish our chapter number 6. That's all for today. Thank you.